Good evening. I will discuss the case of the Province of Bataan versus Honorable Pedro Villaferte Jr., GR number 129995, October 19, 2001. For facts of the case, petitioner entered into a contract of lease with 7R Port Services Inc. and with Marina Port Services over the Baseco property. Later, PCGG filed with the RTC Bataan a complaint for annulment of sale, saying the validity of the tax delinquency sale of the Baseco property in favor of petitioner Province of Bataan. PCGG, upon learning of the lease contracts, filed with the RTC an urgent motion for the issuance of a writ of preliminary injunction to enjoin herein petitioner from entering into a lease contract and urgent motion to deposit lease rentals. The lower court grant the motion and defendant ordered to remit to this court the lease rentals and to deposit said amount under special time deposit with the Land Bank of the Philippines to be held in escrow. For the issue, whether or not the escrow order issued by the lower court in the civil suit for annulment of sale is valid. The ruling of the court. The usual definition is that an escrow is a written instrument which by its terms imports a legal obligation and which is deposited by the grantor, promisor, or obligor or his agent with a stranger or third party, to be kept by the depositary until the performance of a condition or the happening of a certain event, and then to be delivered over to the grantee, promisee, or obligee. Given the jurisdiction of the trial court to pass upon the raised question of ownership and possession of the disputed property, there then can hardly be any doubt as to the competence of the same court, as an adjunct of its main jurisdiction, to require the deposit in escrow of the rentals thereof pending final resolution of such question. Here, the deposit of the rentals in escrow with the bank in the name of the lower court is only an incident to the main proceeding.